Ever wondered how something as small and delicious as a cherry can boost your health and fitness? Well, the answer lies in the unique combination of nutrients packed in these tiny powerhouse fruits. Firstly, cherries are rich in antioxidants. These little warriors fight against free radicals in our body, reducing inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases. They're like your body's personal team of superheroes, constantly battling to keep you healthy. Secondly, cherries are a great source of dietary fiber. Now, fiber might not sound like the most glamorous nutrient, but it's a crucial component of any balanced diet. It aids in digestion, keeps you feeling full, and can even help control your weight. So next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of cherries instead of that bag of chips. Thirdly, they're an excellent source of vitamin C. This vital nutrient not only strengthens our immune system, but also helps in the growth and repair of tissues in our body. That's right, cherries could help you recover faster after those intense workout sessions. Additionally, cherries contain melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. A good night's sleep is just as important as a good workout, right? So, including cherries in your diet could help you sleep better, which in turn can boost your overall fitness levels. And last but certainly not least, cherries are simply delicious. They're a natural, guilt-free snack that can satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your fitness goals. So, to wrap it up, cherries are a health and fitness powerhouse. They're packed with antioxidants, rich in dietary fiber, an excellent source of vitamin C, and contain melatonin. Not to mention, they're a tasty and healthy alternative to processed snacks. Remember, the best way to reap the benefits of cherries is to incorporate them into a balanced diet. So why not give cherries a try? Your body might just thank you for it.